Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to teach TOEFL speaking. First, help your students understand the structure of the speaking section, which includes 4 distinct tasks. 2 tasks are independent, requiring personal opinions, while 2 are integrated, combining reading and listening. Emphasize the strict time limits for preparation and response, typically 15 to 30 seconds for preparation and 45 to 60 seconds for speaking. Guide them to develop clear, coherent responses within these constraints. For independent tasks, encourage students to quickly brainstorm 2 to 3 supporting points for their opinion. For integrated tasks, focus on summarizing key information from both the reading and listening passages. Teach effective note-taking strategies, such as using abbreviations and symbols, to capture essential details within the short preparation time. Practice synthesizing information from multiple sources into a cohesive, 1-minute response. Regular practice is crucial. Have students record their responses to simulate test conditions, allowing them to identify areas for improvement in pacing and clarity. Offer constructive feedback, focusing on specific aspects like vocabulary usage, grammatical accuracy, and logical flow. Use the official TOEFL speaking rubrics to guide your evaluation, helping students understand how their responses are scored across 4 main categories: delivery, language use, topic development, and coherence. Many students struggle with hesitation or a limited range of vocabulary. Encourage them to use transition words and phrases to improve fluency and coherence. Suggest daily exposure to English through podcasts, news, and academic lectures to expand their vocabulary and improve listening comprehension. Building confidence is key. Provide ample opportunities for practice and offer positive reinforcement to help them feel more comfortable and articulate during the actual test.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.